spinach. It's really yummy. You don't even taste the green, the spinach from it. Good morning. Hope you all are having a wonderful weekend. Well, it's Saturday today. I don't know what day it'll be when you're watching this, but anyways, good morning. As you can see, I'm in a different kitchen. That's because we're in a different house. We sold our house. We don't have anywhere to go, so we moved in with my parents for a little bit until we find a new place. That's where we're at today. Since today is Saturday, I usually have my 2 rest days, Saturday and Sunday. Today what I just typically do is go walking with the dogs and Kevin. I do it more for him so he can get some exercise in. I did go and put like some makeup on just because I looked atrocious and I didn't want y'all to get scared. So anyways, I typically have like this go-to smoothie that I do after my workouts. Since today is an off day and I didn't do any weights, I am gonna do a variation of this smoothie. So because today is an off day, I do have lower carbs because I'm not, you know, depleting my glycogen from going to the gym. So I don't need that high of carbs. It's basically, I put the same ingredients, just a less amount. So, but it's typically the same ingredients. You guys can do it according to your macros and adjust the size and portions. But everything that I put, let me put you guys down because my arm's pretty tired. Everything that I put is really good. I put fruits, stick to antioxidant fruits like berries, and they don't have as much sugar, and they're fast acting, so your body digests them quickly. Obviously protein, I've got some hemp seeds. I do keep my fats low when for my post-workout smoothie, just because carbs are so high, you don't need your fats to be high as well. Usually if you're gonna have high carbs, you do low fats, which is why on my low carb day, I have higher fats and lower carbs. Like I said, it's just gonna be a little bit less portion, but it's basically the same concept. I have this every day. Oh, and I add spinach. Your girl doesn't like to eat veggies, so I like to have it in a smoothie. You don't even taste it. I get everything, the iron and everything from spinach, because I don't really like to like eat it. So I'm just gonna kind of take you through what I eat. Everything has its purpose. It's very good for you. It's very filling. You're getting so many nutrients that it's incredible, which is why I have this like every single day. And I have like my own little special cup and everything for it. I do make it at night so I can just grab it in the morning post-workout, and that's it, and go. So let's get to it. These are the ingredients for the smoothie. We've got hemp seed, frozen blueberries, frozen bananas, spinach, unsweetened cashew milk, protein powder. I use my amped protein, which has pea protein, and frozen organic strawberries. I do get my bananas and I freeze them beforehand. That way, number one, they stay longer, fresh longer, and number two, that way to give the shake a little bit of like a smoothie ice cream type consistency. It makes it a little bit thicker. And I'll add just a little bit more water because since everything is frozen, that way it's not super thick. And then we just blend. This isn't the cup that I normally use, but I think my parents have it in the dishwasher. So I'll just use this one. The color doesn't look appetizing, but I promise you don't even taste sweet spinach. Voila, there you guys have it. My post-workout smoothie. It's really yummy. You don't even taste the spinach from it. It has so many nutrients and it's got everything that you need for a post-workout. You've got your carbs, you've got your protein, fruits, your veggies, everything. So and the macros are great. It's perfect and it tastes really yummy and it's good for you, which is the most important thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this and let me know if you try the smoothie. It's really simple, really easy. Make it the night before and you got it done. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye. Voila, there you guys have it. My post-workout smoothie. It's really yummy. You don't even taste the spinach from it. Has so many nutrients. Sorry for my green teeth, guys. It has so many nutrients. Let me get some water, so wash out. There we go. It has so many nutrients and it's got everything that you need for a post-workout. You've got your carbs, you've got your protein, your fruits, your veggies, everything. So and the macros are great. It's perfect and it tastes really yummy and it's good for you, which is the most important thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this and let me know if you try the smoothie. It's really simple, really easy. Make it the night before and you got it done. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all.